This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Gustave Eiffel. Gustave Eiffel was born on December 15, 1832, in Dijon, France. His father was a wealthy engineer, which influenced Eiffel's interest in engineering and science. He studied at the Lycée Louis-le-Grand and later attended the École Centrale des Arts et Manufactures. After completing his education, he worked in various engineering projects, which helped him gain experience in the field. Eiffel started his career working on railway bridges in France during the 1850s. His work on the Bordeaux Bridge brought him recognition as a skilled engineer. This early success led to more significant projects, including the construction of bridges and viaducts across France. His innovative designs often used iron, which was a relatively new material at the time. The Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world fair held in Paris. Eiffel's design was initially met with criticism from some artists and intellectuals who thought it was ugly. Despite this, the tower became a symbol of French engineering and innovation. The structure stands 300 meters tall and was the tallest man-made structure in the world at the time. Gustave Eiffel was known for his innovative use of iron and his approach to wind resistance in structures. He applied scientific principles to his designs, which allowed for taller and more stable buildings. His work on the Eiffel Tower included tests to ensure it could withstand strong winds. This focus on engineering science made his structures both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The Eiffel Tower quickly became a major tourist attraction in Paris after its completion. Millions of people visit the tower each year to enjoy its views of the city. It also inspired many other towers and structures around the world. Today, the Eiffel Tower is recognized as an iconic symbol of France. After the success of the Eiffel Tower, Gustave Eiffel continued to work on various engineering projects. He was involved in building bridges, viaducts, and even a metal dome for the Paris Observatory. In his later years, he focused on aerodynamics and worked on wind tunnels. Eiffel remained active in engineering until his retirement in 1912. Gustave Eiffel received several honors throughout his career for his contributions to engineering. He was made a Chevalier of the Legion of Honor, one of France's highest awards. The Eiffel Tower itself has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These honors reflect his lasting impact on architecture and engineering. Gustave Eiffel passed away on December 27, 1923, at the age of 91. He died in his home in Paris and was buried in the city. His legacy lives on through the Eiffel Tower and many other structures he designed. Eiffel is remembered as one of the greatest engineers of his time. Eiffel's work has had a lasting influence on architecture and engineering worldwide. The Eiffel Tower remains a symbol of creativity and innovation. His techniques in using iron and understanding wind resistance are still taught in engineering schools today. Gustave Eiffel is celebrated as a pioneer who changed the way buildings and structures are designed.